Inflation isn't your enemy. It's your secret weapon for building wealth. Most people lose money to inflation, but smart investors use it to multiply their net worth. Here's the wealth-building strategy nobody talks about. Leverage long-term fixed-rate debt on income-producing real estate. When you buy a multifamily property with a 30-year fixed mortgage, something magical happens. Your mortgage payment stays exactly the same for 3 decades. But rents? They climb higher every single year with inflation. That means your cash flow keeps growing while your biggest expense remains frozen in time. Let's break it down. A $1 million property with $4,000 monthly rent today could generate $8,000 in monthly rent in 15 years due to inflation. But you're still paying the same mortgage payment you locked in back in 2024 or 2025. This is how you turn inflation into your ally. While everyone else watches their savings lose value, your rental income doubles, your debt gets cheaper in real terms, and your property value increases. Think of it like getting a raise every year without doing any extra work. Your tenants pay off your loan with increasingly valuable dollars, while your debt becomes easier to pay off with each passing year. The wealthy have used this strategy for generations. Now you know why real estate investors actually smile when they hear about inflation. They're not fighting it, they're profiting from it.